Session is discussing about this one of the research methodology and tools and technique workshop between the University of Bangalore City University. So it's approved by the AICT. So what is the which college of this program is conducting for? ST Francis College. Okay, you can see the is located in the Karamangala, Bangalore, India. So it's applied to the Bangalore City University. So which the Department of Postgraduate Studies organizing MDP 2023 on research methodology and tools and techniques, especially designing for the fulfillment of the final year project dissertation of the postgraduate students. Okay, what is the registration fees for 150 for the student and 250 for academician and research scholar and others. Okay, so objective of this program, the concept difference between research methods and modeling objectives to train the learners to tools and techniques of the quality and quantitative research method. So is can the objective of the method, what is the certificate is providing, you can the participate industry person is interesting to learning analytic and good presentation skill, second decision making. So it's a very good academician and want to the emphasizing the research skills of marketing professional government of functionals and training institution learners from different field of the social science and marketing research, etc. And also the students and research scholars who are the about this to step into the field of research work. This is the most important what is in the benefit of this participant is to join this program. And there's a modeling of the program is research training sections and the timing from is in the review on the literatures, the hypothesis of the testing and statistical and techniques and research report ratings. The everything is you can learning about this program. So do not miss it. Scan to the scan here to register here. There's a screen below here. So you can this the program is conducted on the 23 August 2023, 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. The one day session for this program, very interesting. Thank you.